Lie down on your back with your feet together, arms by your sides, palms facing down, chin slightly tucked in. Now we'll do the leg lifts. Bend your left leg, placing your left foot firmly on the mat. Inhale here as you prepare for your move. As you exhale, raise your right leg up. Flex your foot. Inhaling, point your toes and lower it down. 5 reps. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower down. Exhale to your mouth. Inhale to your nostrils. Exhale to your mouth. Inhale to your nostrils. Exhale, mouth. Inhale to your nostrils. Next exercise, we'll do the leg circling. Now we'll circle the right leg to the side and again bring it back. Now on an inhale here, on an exhale, lift your right leg up and circle it out to the side. Inhale, lower it down. Exhale, up, circle and lower it down. 3 more, lift and down. Lift and down. Once more, lift and lower down. Now we will reverse the circles. 5 reps here. Exhaling, you lift. Inhaling, you lower down. Exhale, lift. Keep your left side anchored down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, down. Stretch out your left leg. Now next, we'll bend the knee and stretch it. Now interlock your fingers behind your head. Bend your left knee. Raise your right leg up to your left knee level. Stretch it. Exhaling, lift your head and shoulders off the mat. Now put the right knee in towards you. Inhaling, stretch it forward. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, stretch it out. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, in. Inhale, stretch. Once more. Exhale, pull it. Inhale, stretch and slowly lower the leg down. Head and shoulders down. Stretch out your left leg. Relax the arms by your sides.